हामबाय नोंनि केबो सोंदोंनाय दं थंखाय ताइबो सोंनो मानो सिनि अरो जतन एक्सपर्ट्स जरा तंनाय दं जे पारिसाकनि क्वेश्चन दं नो तसा आंसर खायनि बा रिप्लाय होनानै बागै चेष्टा खायनाय आं साख्लाय जाथासिबो जुदि नो केबो सोंदोंनाय दं थंखायबा रिटेन रोखोंगोन जावनै एखौ साना गाबा सोंनि मानो हामबाय
Okay, let me take a chance to speak some. First of all, thank you to the ITOMA for organizing this beautiful session, revisiting indigenous people questions in Tripura towards inclusive policy. Yeah, it is a very burning questions in front of all of us, especially who are indigenous people of Tripura. Sir has already mentioned in his lecture regarding the formations of Tripura. Since from the once upon a time the peoples of Tripura, especially the Tripura, it was sovereign state, independent country. It's a country. After 1949, when we merged with the Indian Union, then we become the party of Indian Union state. Later on, the questions of Tiprasa or Tripura, it began from the tribals as per the Indian constitutions 342, 43, that any especially poor economic or weaker economic section, they have become included into the tribals. From that began we the Tiprasa. जैसे मने Tiprasa निजना कैसा जाति तो मने we become tribe उपजाति. जाति तो मने से संग उपजाति अमी थका. हम है कि ना when we see to the entire part of the northeast or other mainland of India, there is a many section of people who are included under this article of Indian constitutions into the ST list or ST list. But unfortunately, we the Tiprasa are being called tribe, Upajati. Now Janajati will become now. I don't know how it like busuk je mane tisa kata bo upajati ni janajati sopai kasen. It's a big question in front of us. Jeng jati ni se tabon ka jeng tamun ka jati ni jeng upajati janajati. So yeah, my uncle Sir Visuranjan, Dr. Visuranjan, he has try to link it how this Tiprasa become the like from Tripura to Jati, not Jati, Upajati, and then tribal of course. Bununization, Northeast, other part of Northeasternization. Borokuzung Haina ST facility Naitong, they are also taking the ST facility like us. But Nung Mizu na Bro Mizu, Borosung ST Hindia. They are not called Upajati or they are not called Janajati. Sungai naiti Manipura, Nagaland to Megaloid naiti nang singit nang Garo Hills naiti ba Zentias ba nang Khasi. They are also taking the same facility status ST, but they are not called ST. But they are calling they are called what? Those are Garu, those Khasi, Zentias. But in case of us, जोंके तामुन जते ताबो जोंके तामुन जे नंखा जोंके जाति से उंगलिया जों उपजाति नके आबो सिं बुसखाङो आबो कायसा बिग क्वेश्चंस जों जाति दंमानि से उपजाति जनजाति उं थंका आबोनो जों बाहायके as the topic is revisiting जों बाहायके आबोनो revisit खायनाय जों बाहायके आबो decolonize खायनाय बाहायके जों जाति सिंग जाति जों फिरक माननाय जों उपजातिनि बाहायके जों जाति फिरक माननाय तांगे जों जाति तंगनाय जों तांगे उपजातिनि रिंजाता अब तो गवर्नमेंट एज पर इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन से अब जब काइसा फैसिलिटीज जों नामानि से आपनि बाय जों जातिनो जों चेंज होन थांनाय अब कुनो अब की अवै डिमांड बा अब अवै मैया because अब सिनि बसकांगो in front of us intellectual scholars other people who are in politicians borong ni bसकांगो big questions जों बाहाय के आपनो जों फिरक माननाय so ani
Amai asking a question.
yeah आपनो
Okay.
and then I also
Okay.
one second please.
Okay.
I also like to thanks to Dr. Visuranjan for giving his beautiful lecture. He has tried to emphasize, highlight all about the indigenous people questions, and overall, thank you for giving us this beautiful lecture. Your session has contributed significantly to widening our understanding of indigenous people questions and how inclusive frameworks can be developed. Thank you for your sharing your knowledge.
Sarno belai belai kena hambai dofani muktino dofani dukuni kok ragna sawi bahake yogna ala manai tugui kok sungum ragna ragmani bagai haipano dan sawa acuk jak chini borom gena ragna koi nai norok borom ni sungum ragna tabu note klai tonnani bagai tamin ba gobang ma sungjang rok tongo gobang ma borok rok ni khao sungmung tongkho kaisa ke tabu salai thangnan ke kok bangano jora bangano aboni bagino waisa usuke jengnai naike gobang ma sungmung rok hoito ba sungmung kaisa pa nang mano haike apro waisa bai kok phirong mung rakhan ke jora bo ta kisa jagla aboni bagino koboknai sui tonani bagai tabok jong yapre ronai haine hai sungnai bagai khao job jagrokno.
Okay, so Thasing is a question. Abang dah kisah reply dia nai, especially indigenous people and the tribal people regarding the ST or the tribal. So between these two words, this is not similar or not same. Indigenous people is a totally according to the international law. It is totally different.
Let me interrupt please. Sir.
Okay.
You are moderator. Well, questions is to our our presenter, Sir Visuranjan. So, moderator, kindly you note the question and please forward to him. Let him answer the question. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you, Dr. Babudon, for this wonderful question, and also some other audience that has put forward some of your thoughts and ideas and your observation. I have no direct answers to all the observation and question that has been made. However, I can reflect on the question and present you my perspective. So not necessarily that, I'm a decolonial scholar, so I don't see whatever I say that you should agree with me. Okay, I always see that you critique to me or have your own perception, that you have your own agency as well. So two things that I want to flag here in this discussion. One is, I have dwelled on this category: tribe, Borok, indigenous people, Upozati, Pahari, Tipura. So I think if we look at politically, from a social perspective, in my understanding, as a community, one should not get caught with a category. Okay, when I said this, I think it's, we should not get stuck with a category. Should we call as, tribe, or should we call ourselves as Upozati, or should we call as Pahari, or should we call as Tipra, or whatever it is. Okay, but I think allow this category to evolve as civilization grows. None of us in this audience knows, none of us in this audience, those people who are surviving, alive in 1960s and were part of the political movement. I don't think we would be using the word indigenous people, right? I don't think we would be using the word, the category Tipra as a, because the word Borok during 60s was the word that people have used in a way to bring consciousness among the people. So we don't know what will happen in another 50 years, what category would comes up. So in my understanding, let it come. Let it come. In a way, let people allow the category to evolve and let people think that that could make them more sense, you know. In the sense, when I see the make sense in the sense, let the lived experiences of people allow this category to function. Okay, and that category also do not function or get articulated in an isolation. It has relationship with what are the external social, political and history that are changing around the world, in India, also within Tripura. So if you look at, you know, right from say 1950s, the word tribe came into being, and we have a list of 1951, 1956, again 1971, and again we have, you know, there are a lot of lists of tribes that has come, and some has got added, some got removed, and all of that, right? So this category called tribe, like all of you know, is not a social category. Okay, the category tribe, in my understanding, is a political category. When I say political category, it's a category that has come in response to the constitutional recognition, which I see is very important. Okay. However, if you relate, it's not about tribe, it's about scheduled tribe. Okay. There are many tribes in this country, but not recognized as scheduled tribe. Okay. There are Adivasis in Assam who are supposed to be scheduled tribe if you compare with Adivasis in Jharkhand and, you know, elsewhere, but they are under OBC and other on category. Okay, then what does this category helps us? So this category as a constitutional category recognize us, you know, and provide us some kind of constitutional recognition, which I see is very important. If today I see, so therefore, if given a chance among these 19 tribes, I say there are not only 19 tribes, there are probably, it could be 40 tribes in this state. Okay, if you say all of them, they all like to identify themselves as either belonging to Tripura, belonging to say Molsom, belonging to Kaipeng, belonging to so and so. Like Molsom and Kaipeng, they put up in the Halam. It's a conglomerate of almost like MERS in, I think probably 12 to 13 of them, right? So they do not want to be there. We have a good friend, you know, Thomas used to keep telling me, you know, Molsom belongs to a unique community. So everybody, socially, everybody wants to belong as a unit. I think we should allow that. We should allow that. You know,
communal literacy rate long kangka abri region tamo. Jine propagra kama role theka tiprahano thousand years rasmalan bising chung nogo. Tamni bagai of 1951 the census of tiprasang literacy tangai law. Kajorse high English tangkai and the sainamo mote 1951 of puila Indian general election ngo awon yaglo 1963 of puila TDC 30 member ngo and the sainamate as the road tangai borok CM rogo by minister ni push rogo tangai Malia literacy rate to lani bagida abu kasi sumungsa gete kasi sumungka tabu kabama sini borok ni bisingo sejak nukak tongo sui kerung thong kabama research kereng thong kabama ain kerung thong kabama tongo jung juda lama te sini chan muna sanai tongo te kabama political way te sanai tongo nge kabama sini jo wansuk kerung samung chap kerung ro juda sini je culture kabama ni language comment tung jotono wansulai tongo piaba abo kaisa lama te sing sanlai meya tawram bisang tawang bisang ain kerung ka borok political te thangya karon ang political ni borok yang political te thangya ne bo bini bo wansuk ko sai tongo just speaker roboro wansuk ko ang switch mi tongo ang political te kerna musuk yang political te thangya ang sima ba sai no to tamun so mai different ke sing sai tong ka sini main tamong na jong bahai ke a sini shan mong na hai ka jinjit ka masak no sung te se kipli manai gate ka si region ka sa singa musuma ke this tabong this situation of klai tongo illegal migrants no karai te kubuni region tamong ni man literacy education economics tam problem nage sung tabong ni condition sung facing khai tong illegal migrant no karai answer sir hambai
Aital mano, jadi ni aku hai the lecture series, Maharaja Bibikram Memorial Lecture Series, organized Khemani Bagai. First of all, I would like to, heartily applaud the efforts of both the speakers, the one who, spoke first, who deliberated on the issue, the burning issue that we're facing as Tiprasas today. And I would also like to thank Thomas Malsom for the wonderful, response that he had presented to the speaker's deliberation. So my question, it's rather an observation, is regarding one of the points that were raised and of course addressed by our speaker, Dr. Vishwaranjan Tripura today, and that is regarding the script issue. And this could be, aligning with the observation or question which was raised by one of the, participants here today. So I would like to ask, why was the necessity there to constitute the language, committee, where several committees, if the first one was already, if they had already given out their observations and given their recommendations, then why was that not implemented? What was the necessity for the second committee to again put forward their observations? And is there any mechanism in, which is followed by the government to tap on?
पहिला हामबाय फाइमानजनै जतो सातै मैडम आंगानि माने कक ब्रक बायना सानाय आं इंग्लिश एन्ड हिंदी तो छाया तांगो जको जतन बुकुं बारा मांगलो कक ब्रक बुसिनाय मांगलो आनि सुंगुंगासिनि ओ जागा तो सार तंनायनि ना कोनो माने 1% नाय सिंगा आनि सुंगुंगासिनि कि प्रासायु नायने हेंगे बेलेखनो ताबुनो जाराबो डाउनफॉल लङै तंनै संसाय मानो जोंसिनि यु दंनो पडके माने ग्रुप हैनाय अब किसे एडभाइस दिखके सामानि सर Because I do number question. Civil service, sini UPSC, sini India ni most important ni channel. Also, kalau balakan kaum no sini di prasa, ba sini je kirupani, sini youth drop ba sini je bukum barang. Select mana balakan kaum. Apa nanti kita mai advice renda musuh sah. Apa nanti balakan asal musuh hambai. Anda musuh sambu dapur ma.
Good afternoon, everyone. First of all, thank you for giving me this opportunity. My question to you is that how many tribals are currently residing in Bangladesh?
I would like to ask Dr. Vishwaranjan sir a question about language and script, which we have discussed here today. The thing is, I think it's I also would like to give an observation on this. Is that I think we have missed out on one thing. It's like there are many commissions. There have been many commissions, and we will say that it has not been implemented properly, or it has not been implemented at all. But in recent times, or since the 2010s, we have been observing a policy, or rather I would say an unwritten policy of the government of Tripura and government of India to adopt a dual script policy. For example, I would say that whenever the Prime Minister tweets in his Twitter account or X account, sometimes he will tweet with Roman script. When he tweets in Cockroach, sometimes he will tweet in Roman script. And we'll see a lot of even people of the Chief Minister, he tweeted or he posted in Facebook or his social media handle in Roman script. And we'll also see that the banners that are made by the government of Tripura are sometimes in Roman script. So we will say they have adopted a rather dual script policy for Cockroach, and an unwritten one obviously. And they also have told that in exams, in board exams, you can either write in Bengali script or Cockroach script, which is written in no resolution or no amendment till now, as per my knowledge. So we can say that the commissions have not been implemented properly, but I think the dual script policy which they adopted unwrittenly have shown us that public perception are going through their years. They are also trying to do something about it, but due to some political aspiration of them, they are not trying to do it fully. I would like to give one more example. Whenever the Prime Minister of India tweets in Santali language, he will do in their own script, in All Chiki. Whenever the Prime Minister tweets in Bodo language, he will tweet in Devanagari script, which is the script which they adopted by themselves. But for Kokbrok, we either see they are either doing in Bengali script sometimes or either doing in Roman script. So this, I think we have missed. And also I wanted to ask, how inclusive is this policy which they have adopted, the dual script policy? So that's my question. Thank you. My name is actually Abel Deborma.
First of all, I want to thank for giving me this opportunity. Okay. Am I audible? Okay. My question is, that is part of historical and cultural context. How have historical migrations pattern affected the demographic balance between indigenous communities and others in Tripura? And second number question is, what traditional governance system and customary law of indigenous group can be recognized or integrated into state policy? And third question is, how indigenous language are and heritage currently preserved or at risk? That's all my question. Thank you, sir.
Gangge Somor Deborma, Ani Kaisa Sumung, Tabokrom de Sum Sini Borok Buriro, Tabokrom de Ang just Kaisa Sauna, Rom de Yang Buri, Sini Deborma Kaisa Pregan Gangke, Deborma Sui, Bracket upon the Yang subtitle Matonu. Gangge Tabok Sini Borok Buriro, Tabok non ST Kaisa Gangke, Borok Gangke, Omo Hake Borok. মানে দেবরমানো সুইট অনিব বড় এসটি ফেসিলিটি নাই দङ গান্ত অব ব রুল সতং মানে বম হে রাইজাव दं অব সাইমানাन বসুবु অবাनि কুইকसन हामबाय जों जालगुनि मा सासिनाय आं जे पारिबान सानाय फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन जेता दंमोन जोंनि डक्टर बिश्व रंजन ट्राइ खायगा अबनो रिप्लाइ होनानै were asking by the Babudon Tripura. So indigenous people and ST, our Nitinok Sungmani Banang Sungmani, the indigenous people by ST, Mani Anka Saga, international law. According to international law, indigenous people, Mani Ja against me Tong Hanebro indigenous people, have an Indian constitution. In the Indian constitution, ST or indigenous people is not same things. ST honey money a target group. Kono kacha target group say for the development. Kewono kono kacha target group. This means then aki developing yangi tongka. Bono develop kanya ne bagai India government initiative naka. ST mano minority mano just bono. Engkai awo ne bagai sini tabuk India ni constitution naha thangka. All the indigenous people are not ST, but all the ST people are not indigenous. Ama haita. Engkai type tomorrow question. Actually, ngai awoga ngasik sana thanglia 1949 ni simi 1951. Awoga the census report. Abono census report nai census report galti tango. Ani khud ni bok kacha boy tango. Aw sijak tango rok nuk nai boy event the published of bongjak thangnai chai paso sorage no. Abog a critical study on migration and refugee problem in Tripura. Abo ang no simani atakan rok naiken sevene atagawa. The census report of 1951, it was totally wrong. As you know, more than 90,000 people, as I go, include Khajak. I want missing Bongjak, three tribal people. And then regarding language recognition. Language recognition, this means abo sini sabo saka patriot deborma ni question language recognition means senior corporate language and recognition kanya ni bagai especially hanga oro to political factor ba political matter kaisa dongo anoro abo hamgano saimano especially ke bong ganga ba ni roman script no nayo ke bong ba bangla script no ni akaba ke bong ba ni devanagari script nga oro actually singapore naya thanga kai o jaga o sini borok ni bisingono o jaga o kebang nai rok tongmani bagai no hanga totally bobo na hanga sano aborok no controversial tongo sujako hanga abo political issue mi hanga abo ta hanga chalia hanga especially orata ko tonga abo ni related no kaisa question khaja abo hanga tamo হঠাৎ খাইয়ে কোনো সময় কোনো না কোনো নিনি abo hai ko minister phanangkha ba administrative officer phangka jora jora o unwritten অথবা written phanungthung unwritten phanungthung যদিও unwritten phanangi dong be abo bo borok implement khaikiu abo hai kok tongmani engka tabo especially bini je question gangkai a jaga example lokha tamo bo nini kok borok language no kok borok language no sini board exam rana ibagai nini o jaga madhyamik ni age class 12 ni student especially last year bongkha aboni sai age bongkha borok roman script by srimaya abong sriya thanga ga bada angu nga abo to kuno written constitution kri ba written oba hai kuno saklai ja kri government sayabla agi nga actually aptiya angor ta kisa clear khai nai government already declare ojak 1922 sing bo ni te ang Tripura private school forum ni khud bo ni working president ebong aboni te ang sing himlai jak no again 1922 government October maso state government ni ngui no kaisa letter rohoka Delhi o means ni obong ka CBSE ni chairman no a jaga o bor clear khai saklai jak tongo director office ni hoite secondary director office ni hoite mane nini roman script bainga bangla script bai nang nai mi saklai jak a letter borok singno ruya ang oro nini temojen bung bok thanga jai hok IS officer boy malai kapuru bo director tongmani bori khoksa enga apuru bo ano totally aba refuse khairika abdi kono kokre singombe khaimia nei enga aibana jokhon nake CBSE ni chairman bai jokhon naki aro ni hoite sing requirement sanka RTI khai apurko borok ase singna letter rohoka borok je discuss khaimani abo state government ni taraf hoite je 1922 October maso borok state government ni pokho ngui no obono khlaime nei sajak tongo a copy tongo no naimano nairake abo saklai jeng abo ani unwritten ya written no nge borok sini khai dong nga tabo nongi basini puro depend khayo sing tangi am ting dong haida ngai ta ko question dong ma rong gangai mo jaga wa tongo competitive exam rok ni bagai to sing actually gangai especially na thang gangai yo dogno develop khanya ni bagai gangai sing to abong ka to takisa dipo ma thang jinai ase to in deep phana jotono saklai ne go bia travel ka especially tribal welfare department thangnai অনেক বছর রমইন আং bo khud ek somoy ongkha abo TCS ba IS porikha rani nei je school of science abo tau bai 10-15 বছর আগে kokna ano selection theke tribal welfare department IS porikha rani nei bai de bai angai post porikha rali atangai ke age over enga ekmatro oro TCS reka TCS written clear khai bano ang khlali ang even ek somoy ongkha ang government employee tongmani isgoboni police department tongmani jai hok enga
hambai jora
khawbona khai na clear khai acha jora kokna ga mane sini borok dong ni bisingo especially naina thanga gai sing naia thanga ga obosai sing nukjago sini borok rok tiprasa rok ba jara interested tongai rok ogono khaya thango chingno meni jekunu competitive exam rok rona ni bagai chesta khayo chingno haban besir bakno ajaga nukjak mani hangkai sing mane boile competition khai thanga ajaga sini kisal lek tongo abongkha uje background kisa hamia tongo sini angge akai kisa talent mani tongo abo sujako nga moge sing somoyo cover khaimia kono kono students obo manjak bo jodi interest tongi tongi haibona baksa students okangkai disturbance khayong ya khawa logi logi o bini sate sate kwangmo borok rok no obo haike interested ring mani be bini feeling es tui mai ani bagai somoy singo ma ke rimai yangi tongo and obo sarabo sini youth rok no especially sing jasa kapono develop kaya nangnai sini generation no sing jodi no narak nani bagai hingga youth dog no buskang tong nangnai ebong youth buskang tong nani bagai hingga apa jaga wo especially sini agini sini 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 tapsa jor naya nai tong hangkai naya thang hangkai sini generation gap tongu kabangma jaga generation gap tongu sing bibino field to mane main power oba bungnai bagai sing bibino oba high sector ro sing samung rok tongmui tongmi adaga kabaris khaimiya mane interested komung mani bagai
sarno belai hambai
jai ho
haipano jara khajak ni bagai sarno koinai tayoro daeso asukjak tini dangso asukjak joto borom ganang rong nobo kisa asuk le oi phat phat ke sungmung rong ni kok phirok manaro nani bagai kaisa kaisa ni sungmung rok asake kothuk abono kok thaisa bai sabaya jongba bo siosar haipano yago jara kre bagai se borom ganang rok no koijao tai kisa kok barak ke sanani bagai
hambai angkai last ni question sasinai tau last ni question ke special sini sar sasinai abong sini last ni question tongmani deborma atau tripura yang ke deborma kajak lai kenggang kai adaga type pamung hanggaca
Acha abo aise abo ekta kok lai sing kajak pro to community based omia bole abo tongnai bo thik ya karon marwari rok boro ko research ka naika marwari rok business down ongmani karon ke nijini bishingo kai onglai oro borong ni je next generation borong ni buddhi ba mane chetona bud abo down oi hange hybrid mane sum jemon naya deo musuk pon tok a jotono tamo buda songkor jatiya bangke borok kaham production ho deo abo onyo ko kaisa title kaisa mule tabuni dina students please listen this is very important buri kaisa kha suppose bo title be borma kaisa kha oto zomatia ba noatia ba jekono ekjon bai bo kaisa pro bo ekjon highly qualified ba qualified matriculate class 12 bini puila kagos surongo admin ni simi final prothom class 10 final examination romani saka bini admit bono admit card bini bung sujat se sima de borma next 11 12 graduation master degree whatever may be based on that documents bini Aadhaar ongjak voter ID card ongjak after 18 years okay ATM card ongjak PAN card ongjak bo onno title be kaijakai Shima Deborma Bododi, Shima Tripura, Shima Nuate, within bracket, but Shima College Judi Shuyong Lai, she will face problem. Shuyanikuno Dorkar Kuri, Binijel record to money, open the tongue. Zara bracket of Bosaini title Naha, Borak for Utishuma, Kabama problem face like that. Okay, Obo Zeto cushion Paita and cushion poke, Obna Utturka. Please don't do. Jani je tomani obno shui mas shui ne. Karena tabo joto computerized. Ke bo consider kaya ke consider mo. Thank you.
Ambai sarno ke buji bai sarno no jangan title dan obno tongkene cawo tang ke tahu digitalize ong hangkai apno sinai mai recognize kaimia. Angke nong facility ro mai yang ni kharaja hantu iman ko. Ambai
sarno belai kene hambai tinora dang sawa asukda jini boram ganang rok Kebang ma kok pirok nani tongo haipano jini borong ganang roko jora khajak ni bagai no ase kok sukru boy sawi kalang manlia haipano khoroksa ke Dr. jini Beishwaranjan Tripura jini sarno jini Dr. Narottam Deborma sarno R.K. Noatia sarno jini Father P.J. Joseph no tai jini Scholar Sir Thomas no tai jini Madam Pirsati Deborma no jeng ora asugoi tongnai rok ni